Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a presentation of your document on the Canva application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the projects button if you have a particular document that you have already created and you want to make a presentation of it. So just simply tap on the document, and after that you should click on this presentation button at the top of the screen next to the download button. As you can see, your presentation is being created. First of all, you should choose design. From this section, you have a bunch of options, but it might take a few seconds till they load in. Here you can find them, so tap on the relevant one you would like to choose. Tap on Create My Presentation down below, and you will be able to see how it looks like in a few seconds. Here it is. You can add elements to it, add pictures. You can tap on it and change the color, add effects, crop it, flip it, animate it, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.